Babadi, thinking about to create videos like this.
Good afternoon, Paefe. Welcome back, Amara.
Good. What you have to do is, I'm going to give you a very quick one on how you can produce video, but this one will be based on reality video, like a reality video, not a cartoon-like video, 3 pixel video. But I'll be taking you the 3 pixel video in my next episode. Let's go there. All right. This is the prompt I generated on ChatGPT. I generated it myself. I gave me a typical Nigerian Africa village story of a man. So this is the prompt I generated. I gave to ChatGPT to generate the story for me. Now all you need to do is for you to create an idea. You tell ChatGPT to give you to create a dialogue for you and the scenes and the motion prompt for each of the characters. So the dialogue, let me explain one thing. What dialogue is? Dialogue is when individuals in your script is saying something, maybe like individual conversation. That is what we call dialogue. You understand? Why the motion prompt is you're talking about the countenance or the movement of the person. It is self-explanatory. Why we're talking about the scenes, I believe a lot of people know what scene is. Talking about different scenes. You understand? So this is what ChatGPT generated for me, and ChatGPT gave the title as the DNA of Deception. Generated this script for me. So this is what they generated for me. These are the characters. Papa Efe, that is Paefe, Emeka, Amara, Shinedu, Adezi, Mama Ngozi, Dr. Bellu, and Paokoro. So these 6 what ChatGPT generated for me. Generated up to 5 scene. This is a 6th scene, 7th scene, 8th scene, 9th scene, which is seeking forgiveness, and next scene. These are the scene final. These are the scenes ChatGPT generated for me. So next we head about Google Flow to create the characters and the video. Mind you, we are using ChatGPT. We are using Google Flow. Google Flow is for free. And before going over to CapCut, so thank you very much. So let's go over to Google Flow. And let's not forget, before going over to Google Flow, best thing for you to do is for you to copy your scenes. That you copy the scene and then post it on your notepad. If it is very long, your notepad, you first of all place it on your WhatsApp also. Now, you can send message to yourself on WhatsApp, then you post it twice on your notepad. So I'm copying the scene now. So this is my notepad on my phone. So I've taken the scene to my notepad, and I've separated each scene, as you can see, so that I can be able to copy 1 or 2 dialogues and post on Flow. Flow can generate the image. But make sure you first of all copy the characters on Flow so that you can get similar characters. So your characters will not be different from each other. Like when you create Papa Efe now, if you are creating Papa Efe again in Sim 2, the facial appearance and everything will be the same. So that's why you have to first of all create their characters on Google Flow. Thank you. Alright, so let's head over to Google Flow AI. Now you head over to your Chrome browser, and this is you type Flow. At that typing Flow, you'll see Google Labs, that Google Flow. You see this one. Then you click on it. You see, if you have not signed in, you sign in with your Gmail. You have already signed in. That's why you're seeing at the top. You signed in already. Then you go to new projects. New projects. This is where it becomes a little bit difficult for some people. After you go to new project, you click on, you see this video at the bottom here. You click the video at the bottom. Well, see, it is, if you are generating video, you click video. If you're generating image, you click on image. You understand, this is 16 by 90 for YouTube videos. You understand, these 1 by 1 is for Facebook, TikTok. You understand this? So they are, now we are creating videos. That's why I decided to put no videos. And if you are creating for TikTok and from Facebook, it is your video, like the video setting is different, like the aspect ratio is different from somebody who is creating video for YouTube. No, YouTube is 16 by 9. Since I'll be creating the video for YouTube, that's why I tried to use 16 by 9. If I'm to create a video for Facebook or YouTube, Facebook or TikTok, I'll click 9 by 16. So mine is I'll be using 16 by 9 since it's for YouTube. And the number of videos you want each, like you want each of your posts to generate, like if I should click a dialogue from 2 people and post it on Flow, the number of videos I want it to generate. If you want it to generate just 1 video, you click 1, that is 1. If you want to generate 2 videos, so you can select which of the videos you want to take, you want to upload, you put 2 or 3 or 4 or so. Here is a mine. I said, okay, let me put it on 2, or let me just say 1. And mind you, something with Flow is, if after generating the videos, it normally gives 10 credits. If you finish your credit, you can, like, as well. That's why I advise a lot of people to you need to have like 5 or 6 or 7 to 10, or as much as many Google Gmail in your phone, so that when one finishes, you sign out and you go back to your other Gmail, and you understand, you come back to Flow and begin to use it, or you sign in with your other Gmail on Flow. So let's go back to our notepad to copy the characters. My notepad. Okay, let me copy the motion prompt from scene 1. Like I said something, I said you don't need to make it too long, so that this is AI, so that Flow can generate it easily. So you'll not be having like mix up images or characters. So let's move over to our Flow and post this prompt. We just copy it from our notepad. Let's now head over to our Flow and post it. So this is we've come back to our Flow. So let us post the prompts on our Flow. Okay, so, and let's allow it to generate. Now generating the video for us. Take a few minutes for the video to be generated. To our notepad, while we wait for that video to generate, I'll copy the next dialogue. So let's head over to our Google Flow and post it there slightly. It can generate video for us. Alright, so we're going there now.
I have said it before, those children don't resemble my family.
Ife, leave that woman alone.
Good wife?
Good afternoon, Papa.
Good afternoon, sir.
I have said it before, those children don't resemble my family. Efe, leave that woman alone. She has been a good wife.
Like I said before, you don't have to be like your dialogue don't need to be too long, because like I forgot to tell you guys, each of the dialogue Flow can create is just for 8 seconds. So you need to be generating it like bit by bit. And another thing is, in order for Flow to be able to identify individuals so that you can get consistent characters, you have to put just try to make some things different in Flow, like sitting, and what I'm doing now, at the right side of the chair, bench, outside is out, okay, let me see. Moving on. Let me change the tires now. He is putting on white shirts and trousers. Okay, so I will need to tell Flow as a man, old man, so that the character will be similar with the other one. Okay, so it's generating, so let's wait for it to. So Flow has started generating our video. You just have to give it a few minutes. So
before, those children don't resemble my family. Efe,
this is the video Flow generated. So let me play it so you
resemble my family. Efe, leave that woman alone. She has been a good wife.
I don't want it to be too long. I don't want my video to be too long. So that is how you would generate other characters consistently. Make sure when you're generating characters, you're like what I did now. You personalize each character. If it is wearing a white up and down, you personalize it. If the other character, what the other character is wearing, you personalize it. You understand? If somebody is with red, you personalize it. Just like a descriptive essay. That is the prompt you give to AI. That is what AI will generate for you. So let's head over to our CapCut, because I don't want the video to be too long. I'll just put 1 or 2 videos together so you see how to place videos on CapCut. So let us go over to our CapCut. And besides, let me tell you this is not a 3D pizza image. You understand? This is a normal video created by Flow. But if you want Flow to create a 3D pizza image, you give Flow the prompt, like those images for cartoons also, or normal animations like the ones I did for that. I think the one I did on that Dawn, the one I did on Dawn. So if you want ChatGPT to create an image prompt of that for you, ChatGPT will create it and you take it over to Flow, and Flow will also give you the kind of video you want. So after creating this video like this, the next thing is for us to export. So you export it so that it can be saved in your phone. So it has been okay. So that's on it. Videos not saved in my phone. So let us go over to my gallery and look at it. Let's watch it on my gallery. So the image, after whenever you download something from CapCut, it will show like in your camera. You see it on your camera. It will not show on download. It will be in your camera. So you click on your camera to watch. This is my camera. Okay.
I have said it before. Those children don't resemble my family. Efe, leave that woman alone. She has been a good wife.
So this is the video. You can upload this video on your YouTube channel and you get viewers. If there's any question, you can ask me question on my comment section, on the comment section, and I will definitely give you a positive answer, which can help you, or which will help you to be a good content creator using AI. Thank you very much. My name is Tom Babadi. Bye.